Example 2 says 2 over x plus 2 equals x minus 2, students, over x squared plus 2x. So step number 1 says factor out your denominator. For the first term, there isn't anything we can factor. Okay. Now the second term over here, the denominator, they have an x in common, so we are going to factor that out. Then it says find the LCD, lowest common denominator. First, we have an x plus 2. It's on each side, so that is going to be part of your LCD. This x right here is by itself, so that is definitely going to be included. State your restriction, students. X can never ever be 0, and x can never ever be negative 2. So currently, we can't have 0 or negative 2 for our answer. Now we're going to go in and multiply each and every term by the LCD. So 2 over x plus 2, that's your original. Your LCD is x times x plus 2. I'm going to put this whole thing in a bracket just like that. And again, you can put it over 1 if that makes you feel more comfortable. Now on the right side, we have x minus 2 divided by x times x plus 2. That's your denominator. Let's make it a big parentheses. Then your LCD is x times x plus 2. Now again, you can put it over 1 if that makes you feel any better. So this allows you to reduce or cancel your denominator, okay? All right, this x plus 2 and x plus 2, that's going to be cancel. This whole denominator is going to be cancel. The whole point of multiplying each and every term by your lowest common denominator is so that way we have no more fraction, because fractions tend to be more difficult for students to solve. So this allows us to not have any fractions. Okay, so on the numerator, we have an x times 2. That will give us 2x equals. Over here on the right side, we have just this. Okay, so equals x minus 2. So let's solve for it. Subtract x, subtract x. Now we have x equals negative 2. So it looks like we might have an answer, but let's check with our restriction. Whoa, guys. Our restriction says x can't be 0 or x can't be negative 2. And when we solve, we have a negative 2. Okay, so how do we write an answer? No real solution. Okay, due to the fact that we said we can't have a negative 2 or 0, and when we worked it out, it came out to be a negative 2, so we can't keep it.